Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a question. You were installing a throttle cable on your ATV, which goes to the thumb throttle right here, but you don't know where exactly it goes from here. Throttle cable is going to go from your thumb throttle here, screws in right here. It's going to go down in through your front center console right through here. And you're going to need some play in it so it can move. From there it's going to loop down in here and go right down to your throttle body right here. Right there, it's going to connect. You've got your bolt right here, and let me open this and show you. Then if you open up this cover right here, you'll find your connection right in here is going to go right into this. And to connect that, you'll just push your throttle up there. Then you can get that wire connected into the end of it and hook it up. You can adjust your throttle here like I showed to do in this video up here, so be sure to check that one out on how to adjust your throttle. Free play, so when you're turning your ATV, your idle stays the same. Your throttle isn't changing or binding up when you turn your handlebars one side or the other. So be sure to check that one out. Once you've got your throttle cable adjusted, you can go ahead, stick everything back together, and you should be good to go. So on your throttle body, you've got that little butterfly valve in there. That's what your throttle is pulling to get more air to the ATV, get more gas in there, gas and air. It's got a little bit of adjustment on that. You've got some adjustment here. You've got a locking screw that you can adjust the tension, but your main adjustment is going to be down there on the throttle body. You've got a little more fine-tune adjustment up here on the thumb throttle itself. When you install this, you'll mount your thumb throttle, run that through the cable down through the center down to your throttle body and adjust it as close as you can down there, and then just do your fine adjustment up here, and hopefully that helps you get your ATV going again. So hopefully this video helped you out. Your throttle cable just goes right up here. It's going to go right up through the middle, right up through here, and then it's going to connect right up here to your thumb throttle. So hopefully this video helped you out. Be sure to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, be sure to follow along. If you have any other questions on ATV stuff, be sure to leave them down in the comments down below, and I'll catch you in the next video.